everyone, I am Aprajita Singh of Class 8E and today I am going to tell you about the process of developing COVID-19 vaccines in India. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) on Saturday said that the process to develop an indigenous vaccine to fight the coronavirus pandemic is as per globally accepted norms of fast tracking and the safety and interest of people of India is the topmost priority. The ICMR had earlier announced an indigenous vaccine being developed in collaboration with Bharat Biotech and had asked clinical trials to be completed within time for a launch before 15th August. The ICMR issued a press release in which it said, as the entire world is battling the COVID-19 pandemic, the development of an effective vaccine is a promising tool to save lives. Though a large number of vaccines are under various stages of development all across the world, it is also important to promote indigenous vaccines while at the same time ensuring safety, quality and ethics to all regulatory requirements. Inactivated COVID-19 vaccine candidate has been developed by Bharat Biotech International Limited in collaboration with ICMR, National Institute of Virology, Pune. The release said. The ICMR further stated in the letter that the Drugs Controller of General of India has accorded permission to conduct phase 1 and 2 clinical trial of the indigenous vaccine. After an intense characterization and review from all data from Bharat Biotech, ICMR is supporting the clinical development as the vaccine candidate appears to be promising. Based on an in-depth inspection of the available data from preclinical studies, the Drugs Controller General of India has accorded permission to conduct phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials. The ICMR also justified expediting clinical trials of indigenous COVID-19 vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech International Limited. In the larger public health interest, it is important for the ICMR to expedite the clinical trials with a promising indigenous vaccine. Faced with the unprecedented nature of COVID-19 pandemic and the consequent dislocation of normal life, all the other vaccine candidates across the globe have been similarly fast-tracked. ICMR's process is exactly in accordance with the globally expected norms to fast-track the vaccine development for the diseases in pandemic potential, wherein human and animal trials can continue in parallel. Now that the preclinical studies have been completely successful, the phase 1 and 2 human trials can be initiated, the release said. It added that the letter by DGICMR to investigators of the clinical trial sites was meant to cut unnecessary red tape without bypassing any progress and speed up the requirement of participants. Just as the red tape was not allowed to become a hindrance in the fast-track approval of new indigenous vaccine or for introducing in the Indian market potential COVID-19 related drugs, the indigenous vaccine development process has also been sought to be insulated from slow file movement. The aim is to complete these phases at the earliest so that population trials for efficiency could be initiated without delay, it added. Thank you.